Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create invisible smoke effect in picsart software.
ভিডিওটিতে যদি এখনো লাইক না দিয়ে থাকেন তাহলে এখনই দিয়ে দিন একটি লাইক, এবং আপনি যদি আমাদের চ্যানেলে নতুন হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে নোটিফিকেশন করে দিন অন।
First of all, you need to remove background from your photo. If you don't know how to remove background from a photo with just one click,
Then watch this video, link in the description box. Now open Picsart. Click plus icon. Then select background. Select add photo. Select your photo without background. Now follow my instruction carefully. Select effect, then sketch on, then open setting and do this carefully. Now remove this sketch from your face and hair like this. Select effect again, then select color, then select black and white, and amount should be just one, only one. Now find draw option, then click draw and then save it from save image. Now input this background in Picsart again. So after that, click on add photo, then select your photo without background again, and then resize it. Now erase your t-shirt from this photo. Very carefully, make sure that you don't erase your hand or face from this photo. So do this very carefully. Now select add photo again, and now input that PNG that I have already created. Now resize it very carefully. Now I'm doing this, then click blend icon, then select screen. Now select add photo again to input smoky effect, link in the description box. Now resize it very carefully. Do this like me.
Now select add photo again to input another smoky effect. So I have inputted. Now do this like me. Our invisible smoky effect is totally ready. Now select OK. Now find draw option to save it high resolution. Now select draw and then select three dot menu, then save image. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.